How to add captions to TikTok videos. Captions can make a world of difference on TikTok. They not only make your content more inclusive, but also help convey your message effectively, especially when viewers have their sound turned off. So here are the steps to add captions to your TikTok videos. Step 1. Open up your TikTok app and select the video you want to add captions to, or record a new video. Here you'll find more options by tapping on the arrow down icon. Tap on Captions. Wait a few moments for it to generate your captions. When it's done, you can choose to edit the captions by tapping on the pencil icon. It can be very useful if your video has some words that need to be censored, or if there are words that need to be replaced, because sometimes the caption generator doesn't get it right, especially if the audio isn't clear enough. You can also change the formatting before you upload it by tapping on A. That's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.